Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about the SVR122. Now I have one of them right here, and I have the box that it comes in. So this is what the box looks like, and this is what the unit looks like. And what this actually is, as you can see on the box, a Stream Video Recorder. This is basically a network video recording device. It's similar to the SVR100, which is the older iteration of this particular device. This new model does have some additional features though that you may be interested in when compared to the older unit. One of the biggest differences between the old one and the new one, that's the SVR100 and the SVR122, is the size. This comes with pre-installed hard drive in it, and you can buy it in a 500 gigabyte or a 1 terabyte option. Now, this can also have up to 8 Alarm.com cameras interfaced with it over a local network. And one of the cool new features on this particular model is it actually has an HDMI output and a USB plug on it where you can connect the mouse. Why that's useful is that you can actually hook up a local monitor to view the cameras and recordings that are on the unit. This video output and this USB connection for the mouse really make it resemble a regular NVR camera solution. What's great about that is that you can actually have this device set up and you can have a monitor next to it, or you can put a monitor somewhere else in your house or residence so that you'll be able to see exactly what's going on without having to log into your app. Now, if any of you do use Alarm.com with cameras, you will know that all the cameras stream up to Alarm.com and you can view them all right on the app. The benefit to this though is that without having to log into that, you can look at a monitor and see exactly what's going on with your system and your cameras. On the back, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of lights and information. These lights right here will illuminate when you have cameras interfaced to this unit. Now, to answer any questions and clear up any confusion, the only cameras that are going to work with this are Alarm.com cameras. And with your monitoring plan, you will have to have the video option enabled. Speak to your alarm provider about this. They'll be able to set this up for you. But you will need the video option enabled to be able to activate the cameras and to be able to activate this on your Alarm.com account. This won't work without an Alarm.com plan. So don't pick up one of these thinking that it's going to replace your existing local camera setup without having it activated and being on Alarm.com. But if you do have that camera plan and you do have Alarm.com cameras, installing this will allow it to interface with the cameras over Wi-Fi, and this is going to give you 24-hour recording, which is really convenient, especially with these type of cameras. Another benefit that you'll get to the SVR122 is that if the main internet connection goes down, that's the one to the house, but the local internet stays up, any cameras that are still on the network, so the router is going to have to be up and any switches that they're connected to will have to be up. But as long as your local internet is up, this will continue to record even with the main internet going down. This will continue to record, which is a big benefit to having cameras installed. If you do have other questions though about the SVR122, how to integrate it, what it's compatible with, how to use it, and even cameras to set up with it in your home, feel free to give us a call at 888-818-7728. Send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or head to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. If you enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below, and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.